Are you ready for today?
Yes, it's going to be exhausting.
I'm not ready. We're about to go through security, and then we'll be headed to Dallas, and then we'll have a direct flight from Dallas to. Alright guys, we made it to Dallas. I don't know if that was in the song or not, but we depart at like 12 or 1. We're going to Hong Kong. We're at 1/8 through our trip. I got this. So guys, we have just taken off from Dallas and we have about a 15-hour plane ride to Hong Kong. And I'm so excited to finally arrive. We decided to fly business class, so I have like a lot of leg room here. And I can watch movies and even the seat reclines, so that's great. And I look like a freak right now, but it's okay. It's my mom. I applied my makeup at like 3 a.m. this morning, so I kind of look like I died and came back to life. But it's okay, and I need some chapstick because my lips crusty as. We have reached the halfway point. I think we have, I don't know how long we have, I lost track. But my feet look like bread loaves. They're so swollen. I'm watching Creed because I love Michael B. Jordan. And I'm running on 3 hours of sleep. It's been so long.
That's the Victoria Hotel used to be. Long time.
We made it to Hong Kong.
Test me later. Test me tomorrow.
Looks like we
3 hours of sleep. We've been up for 24 hours straight. Look like a dead person right now. I look like a zombie. You're happy then. Ooh, let's see this. Alright. Oh, I like the square toilet. It's different. Oh, is this your clothes? Oh, there I am looking like that.
Well, you think the air's cold?
Is this my bed? This small bed? Oh, it's cute. I like it.
I don't know how good it's sleep though. I hope we good.
We'll be okay.
Go this way. Right here.
Okay, so after we got to the hotel, we went to this really cute restaurant, and I ordered these really good noodles. What are they called? Are they wonton soup noodles with shrimp, with like shrimp wontons? They were so good. But yeah, we're here. I'm so tired. I don't know if he's tired. He's chilling watching TV, and I'm probably going to take a shower, edit this vlog, and then go to bed. And I'll start vlogging it tomorrow, so good night.